Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired December 15th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Fidelity to the Christ Message. Swami, your insights.
To imitate Jesus as a separate entity does little good. Christ must go away as someone to follow, then reappear as the one self, the only life there is.
Looking to be a faithful witness to the divine creation? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam